Hi everyone, I'm Tina. I'm here with Lauren. We are going to do adjustments for Marichyasana A. So if you haven't seen the Marichyasana video yet, you can go back and practice those. But if you are a teacher or if you're a practitioner and you would like someone to help you get into this posture, this is how you would go about it. So after she jumps, let's just say she's jumped through, so now she's sitting straight forward on her mat. She's gonna bend her right knee in, making sure there's space between the foot and the thigh, and then try your best to pull your heel back as close as you can, good, to the thigh. So the smaller you get here, the easier it is to take that bind. So you have to get really, really tiny there. And then making sure she's really active in this left foot here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it with her. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna encourage her to inhale, lift her arm up, and then as she exhales, I'm gonna lean her forward as much as she can go and as far down as she can go. Take this hand behind you. Good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to help her with the rotation. So the palm is actually rotating to the left. The elbow is rotating up. She's bending the elbow back behind her. Beautiful. Good. And she's going to hold this here. Now I'm going to take her left side. She's going to bend the elbow here. Beautiful. And now her fingers are kind of awkward, so I need to make sure that I help her rotate enough so that she can grab her fingers together here. Beautiful. And now she's going to go a little bit further. I'm not going to push on her elbows. I'm going to push on the upper arms just to give her a little more smush.
Ooh.
Good.
Yeah.
Inhale. And then she's going to fold forward here. So for her, she can just kind of relax the head down. Good. Beautiful. And then she'll do 5 breaths here. And inhale to lift up. And exhale, release. There you go. Marichyasana A.